Mic check. Mic check.
Check.
Check, check. My bike station. Bike station.
I mean, it is cold. You want me to grab that? The camera probably can't see it, but I'll grab your header pipe. Oh God!
You're probably not going to see it anyway, so you know they're just going to have to trust us on this one.
Yeah.
All right. So yeah, just shut up. Went to review the riding footage from the other day, and of course the camera was pointed directly at the ground. Usable footage. The audio sounded good. So anyway, decided to go ahead and charge the battery up because it was pretty much dead yesterday when we were trying to run it.
Got an airplane.
Cue the airplanes, cue the leaf blowers,
There you go.
cue the dogs. So we charged the battery up. Also tweaked on the carburetor a little bit. Still can't get it to idle well. And not going to bother changing out the low-speed jet or anything like that. It's just kind of where it's at. So ignition on.
Roads are nice and wet, but you're
Yeah,
going to town, so
between
got to work with.
between yesterday and today, back in the typical Kentucky fall weather. So anyway, cold start. We'll see. Let's see if she fires up. Maybe try a little choke.
You need to start that for you. Suck.
Stop the recording.
You gotta hold on. Hit this.
All right. Not too bad. What?
Yep. Don't crash.
Dude, I'm just done with this thing.
What did it do?
I mean, it's just running like
Yeah. I just rode it early. Don't throw the helmet.
I'm just sick of this. Take it around. See what you think.
Lights out, I'm your favorite. Too many ways, been in your place, there's delays. Add it up, plus sign, zeros on the table. Driving and vibing, bring the bill later. Wanna make it bigger, just a little bit of flavor showing up to my space, I'm a fashion dealer. I'm your biggest bidder, meet me in the middle. I just don't wanna settle under these lucid dreams. I'm not just a visionary, it's all making sense to me. Not a basic, ain't no ordinary. Stay put, we gon' get higher. You're the product, I could be your buyer. Under these lucid dreams, I'm not thinking off my head yet. Just being honest, what's the big difference? Yeah. And I've been feeling.
I think you're just pulling on it too hard, too quick. If anything, go easier on it until you get out of the cul-de-sac, because I think it's just being cold-blooded. You going on or not?
Yes. from the factory, I think Honda claimed had about 8 horsepower, redlining at about 9,500 RPM. So it really likes to be wound out. Now, Honda claims from the factory this had a top speed of about 70 miles an hour, which I think is more than a little optimistic. I think 50 to 55 is about what you're going to get out of it. But we'll see. Now this speedo's in kilometers per hour, so see if I can hit top speed, and then we'll do a little conversion and see what we get. Well, I'm trying to get there. Of course, people want to pull out in front of you. Go ahead and turn around here and see if I can hit it going the other way. Cool. Oh, I'm like trying to get some riding footage around rush hour. I really like about this bike is the shift pattern. You know, a lot of your CT90s and smaller CC bikes from Honda, you know, would either have the auto clutch or an irregular shift pattern, you know, all downshift or whatever. One thing I like about this bike is it's got a standard motorcycle shift pattern, one down and three up. It's also got the heel shift, so you know, either one down and three down on the heel shift. All right, well, that's about it, guys.